Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Thank you so much for stopping by here again today. Merry Christmas to you all. So today I received a package from a company, and honestly I'm not sure which company this is because this is how the packaging came, and I think it's really cute. You know, it's a Christmas, and you know, receiving a wig in this packaging feels like a Christmas present. So I think it's from Nia's Wigs. If it's not from Niawigs, then that's gonna be a bit awkward, but I hope it's from them. So I haven't unboxed it, as you can see. I'm gonna unbox it right in front of you guys. So I guessed right, and it's from Niawigs. I hope you guys can see it. Nah guys, this packaging is so good. Like, I feel like they really took their time, you know. Wow. First of all, I'm already giving them a 5 out of 5 for packaging. So I really do hope this wig turns out nice, and I love the headband so far. I love how it's neatly arranged. This wig is definitely something you can give someone as a present, especially during this Christmas, because as you guys can see, she looks perfect already. So I believe this is the Headband Sets 3, because they gave me the option of choosing between I think 4 sets, so you have different patterns. I decided to go for this because this is like everyday, and you can also like style it up if you want. Plus it has like 2 Christmas colors and 2 everyday colors, and I really do love polka dots. So the wig came in this satin bag. However, they did send quite a number of Christmas goodies, guys. So this is so cute. So they sent me these 2 clips, which are the cutest things ever, and then I have some extra headbands which have Santa Claus on them. I guess it's in the Christmas spirit. So onto the wig itself, like I said, it came in this purple satin bag that has N on it. So guys, this is her, and straight out of the packaging, she is absolutely gorgeous, and she's also super duper soft and silky. This hair is in a 14-inch, and it's the silky straight headband wig. I wanted to go for a shorter length because most units I review are like longer lengths, and I feel like shorter lengths are more everyday. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop this bad boy on my head. As you guys already know, it is a headband wig, and the cap construction is a black spandex band here, and 1 comb at the front, 2 combs at the side, and 1 comb at the back, and then an adjustable strap, of course, and also your headband. I really like the construction of this Velcro material because it's very wide and it feels firm. You know, some of them are a bit like thin. I'm gonna be honest with you, some Velcro materials are super thin, but this is very good, guys. I don't know if you guys can see the thickness, but yeah, this is definitely a plus. I feel like this is gonna be secure on my head even without me using the combs. So I just basically went ahead to lay my edges as always. This is a silky straight headband wig, so I honestly don't have plans of having my edges out, but I just decided to lay it just in case. If I push it back a bit, it looks nicer. So guys, this is the finished result and I'm in love with this unit so much. I'm glad I went for a length 14. I feel like it's very flattering and very natural. But this bump is honestly giving me like some 90s vibe and I'm not complaining at all. So you can wear this unit without the headband. She still looks absolutely gorgeous. I did try most of the headbands in this video, but they are the same style and pattern basically. So they have the crisscross and the polka dot design on them. So I'm just going to give you some more specs on the unit. Like I said, this wig is from Niawigs and it's the headband wig in silky straight. This is 100% human hair, and on the website you can choose between length 8 to length 24. However, in this video I'm wearing length 14, and you have the option of choosing from 4 different headband sets. However, they do cost an extra amount of money. So if I was to buy this unit as a 14-inch with no headbands, it will be $179. But if I do select one set of headbands, which comes with 4 different patterns, or 4 different headbands rather, it will be $183.99. So yeah, just do the math. However, when you purchase this unit, because it's a Christmas season, you do get a surprise Christmas gift bag. So what that means is you get 1 Christmas headband and Christmas hairpins and also some Christmas earrings absolutely free. So now is the best time to order this unit, guys. And as you saw in the beginning, the packaging was so beautiful. Like, it did feel like I received a Christmas gift. In terms of the density, this hair is 150%. It is a Remy hair. The cap size is an average, and I'm honestly just in love with the construction of this unit. Like I said, the Velcro is amazing. Like, this unit fit my head perfectly. I know how hard it is putting your hair in a bun, but with this unit you don't have to worry about anything. I absolutely love Niawigs. I've heard so many positive reviews about them, so I was so glad when they reached out to me to review their wig. So yeah guys, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please check the description box for more details, and I hope to see you in my next video. Merry Christmas guys, see you soon, bye.